So this is my new bike lock. My package finally came today. So it's Kryptonite New York lock. This is the most secure one, 10 out of 10 ranking. Honestly, I don't know how to test it. Obviously, I don't want to damage it or try to break it. So I guess I'm just going to trust this ranking. Yeah, so it's a Kryptonite New York lock. This is the 26 centimeters length. It's quite heavy and it's really big. It weighs almost 3 kilograms, like 2.7 kilograms or something like this. It's really heavy and really big. So yeah, it's a huge piece of tool. Yeah, it's heavy duty. Yeah, I don't know how to test it, so yeah, this is it. This is the keyhole. It came with the sets of 3 keys. On this one there is a little LED light. Yeah, and these two came without. So yeah, let's try. Okay, interesting. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Look. Yeah, and it's secure. So this is Kryptonite New York lock. 26 centimeters.